What's going on? I'm Mike with All About Pressure Washing, and this is Brett Anderson. I was just driving up the road and I saw his trailer and I had to stop because I've seen this thing around Savannah. It is awesome and I wanted to share it with y'all. All right, man, this is awesome. You got to tell me what you got going on.
Welcome to the wash house.
And that is true. I love this thing.
It's a 5x12 trailer. Word to the wise, if you ever buy a trailer, go ahead and get 2 axles. I had to add the axle last year.
Oh wow, yeah, absolutely.
What I got going on here is a soft wash setup. Forgot what you call that. We got the power wash store. That's my downstream tank. Here's my roof mix tank.
Got
That's
a
water
proportioner.
up. Yeah. That's water up there in a drum. That's bleach in that drum. So you open that, you put bleach in any vessel you want to, pump up sprayer, X-Jet, anything you got, and you can flush it with water with no mechanics.
That's brilliant. And you designed this all yourself?
Well, I bought the trailer and just added everything.
Right.
That's a 3 stackable hose reel.
Yeah.
One's just for storage. One's for high pressure, and I'm the one that runs the soap, so my wife does all the rest.
Gotcha. And she's over there.
She's over there.
She's pulling hoses, and you're over here talking.
I'm talking. But here's another helpful hint. Put 2 water supplies going into your tank so you don't run out of water.
I like it. And you got the filters on there.
You got filters going in. Put your hand washing, whatever bucket filling station. These signs are also come out so you can work on your equipment. These are 2 5.5 gallon a minute belt driven bandits with a hot box in between. So if one breaks down, you always got to be thinking about breaking down. And
you've got your gas tank mounted up high.
There's the redneck gas filling station. Always go higher gravity so I can fill up that one. 12 gallons.
Very cool. And Scott cleans it. You see what he did here?
There you go. You got to keep your sludge sucker, broom, you know, everything, sponge, squeegee, shovel, rake.
Got it all.
I'm in the process of doing my truck similar to the trailer. It's not finished.
Right. Well, man, you have got a great setup. I had to stop. I had to talk to you about it.
I appreciate it.
I hope you don't take a lot of my customers.
No, I don't think so. There's plenty of work out here.
Absolutely. But man, I appreciate you. I love that people are out here doing it right.
Yeah.
And it's good stuff, man. Very good stuff. This is a heck of a setup. I love it. Very cool. Now, I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed meeting him, seeing his rig, and hearing the passion in his voice about what he does. That is a lot of hard work. That is a lot of creativity. And there's some marketing genius there as well. I mean, that is so noticeable, so memorable, and very cool. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Have a great day.